Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you a Bitcoin update. We're going to be starting off with Bitcoin here on the short-term time frame, the mid-term, and the long-term. And guys, I'm producing content every single day now, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you never miss one of my uploads. Also, if you're looking for a Telegram community to join, guys, link is in the top right-hand side of the video. Join the Telegram community. We're tightly knitted. We're a nice little CC gang family if you are looking for a nice free community up there. Also, I'm going to be doing the giveaway winner first thing, and we are going to be finishing the video with the trade of the day, so make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, and you can get a little trade that I'm going to be taking today, and we're currently 14 successful trades in a row. Unbelievable stuff. Without further ado, let's get straight into the giveaway winner. The giveaway winner today is going to be... Who are we going to pick today? We're going to do Philip. Philip, you have won the giveaway today. You've won 1 week on the WOD machine. That's the indicator that I use to make money every single goddamn day. And also, guys, if you did want to enter the giveaway, I see many people continuously entering the giveaway. Just comment on the video and drop a little like on it. Comment on the video, drop a little like on it, and you'll be entered in the giveaway for tomorrow's video. And also, guys, if you're looking for an exchange to do some trading on, jump to BitGet. You can see here I can get you a bonus of up to $4,000. Unbelievable stuff. And if you don't like BitGet, you can always go to KuCoin, Femex, Bybit. You know the score. Many bonuses to be had. And hey, why not? Separate your portfolio across the board. Make it less risk, separate your risk. It's all good. That's literally what I do, right? I have accounts on many exchanges and separate my portfolios all over the shop. That's the best way for me to do it. But yeah, anyway, let's get straight into Bitcoin here. Let's start off on the short-term time frame. Not going to keep you guys too long today because I know yesterday's video was pretty lengthy. But yeah, not going to keep you guys too long. We are looking at an ascending triangle coming through. The support on the lower side here is looking something along the lines of this right now. You can see we have tested this literally 4 or 5 times now. If Bitcoin does come down the area that I'm looking for a potential bounce, is going to be around 20,357. 20,357 is going to be a bounce point that I'm going to be looking out for there, because you can see the support that we have had on this area before. Ascending triangles, guys, they tend to usually break to the upside. So this is a bullish continuation chart pattern. So if we are going to see us break to the upside, this is the move that I'm looking for. I want to see a nice strong candle body close up around 21,000, ideally above 21,000. And then we're basically going to be staggering our take profits up and basically capitalizing on this move. The move's going to be around 4% to the upside, because that's going to be the measure move that we're looking out for there. As you can see, something along the lines of this, guys. We basically take that measure move and we bring that to the top side here. So that's pretty much the chart pattern that I'm looking for on the shorter term time frame. If we do lose the 200 EMA and 200 SMA, which is just hidden in there, you can see the white moving average and also the purple moving average as well there. If we lose them in terms of a level of support, we will be losing all major moving averages, which could signal a potential downtrend, guys. If the downtrend does come through, then there is going to be a lovely, cheeky, potential short position, juicy if I may say myself, and it's going to be worth around 3.22%. Very interesting, fascinating stuff. In terms of what we were talking about yesterday, in terms of the trend cycle here on the short-term time frame, you can see we actually did get resistance there, and we did see the trend actually come to an end and basically bang it down for that bearish crossover. Now we are seeing the same sort of scenario coming through again, so this is an area to be looking out for there, guys. If we do break this and we do see a nice bit of upwards momentum in terms of the MACD, in terms of the trend, then it's going to be very good, because we will see a bit more upwards price action for Bitcoin, which, to be honest, is quite surprising considering how much we have seen recently, this nice comfortable uptrend. But yeah, we could get rejected here also, guys. So please be aware. This is a very key point for Bitcoin right now on the shorter term time frame if you are going to be scalping these markets. In terms of the DMI, the directional movement index here on the short term time frame, the ADX is saying it all down at around 10.36. This shows the trend is not strong. This shows pure horrible momentum is dying out and sideways action is upon us, guys. So please be aware of that as well. You can see we did actually see a trend line get formed here and tested yet again coming through here on the RSI. We are in the bearish control zone on the RSI, so this does actually mean bearish momentum right now. If we do see us come up, we probably will find resistance before we enter the bullish control zone there, guys. So please be aware from that. It is looking fairly bearish here on the shorter term time frame across multiple indicators on the basis, okay, on the basis that we get rejected here for the MACD. Moving on to the midterm time frame here, and guys, just to reiterate quickly, if we are going to be seriously bearish and if we do lose the support of 20,300, there is going to be a very clean short, guys. It's going to be very nice, very clean. So please get yourself educated and look out for that bad boy, because there's money on the table to be taken. Moving on to the midterm time from here for Bitcoin, you can see the range that we've been playing in for quite a while. It is between this 20k and this 18k. Horrific stuff. You can see where we're at currently now. You can see that ascending triangle that we were just talking about on the shorter term time frame, and now you can see the level of support that we're actually looking at is going to be literally sat around around 20,300. Where are we now in terms of the price for that? Pretty much testing that, guys, 20,500. If we lose this area, as I was saying on the shorter term time frame, very, very key, very, very easy short position to the downside, right? This is what I'm going to be looking for, straight down to the 30-minute volume weighted ATR, and even that's probably going to be one take profit, and then even down to this horizontal, you can see the bounce point for support there around 19,965, and from there, we've got the volume weighted ATR on the 60-minute as well, so 2.58%, and that'll be throwing us back down, deep down and dirty into this ranging period, which could actually cause massive dumps to the downside and bring us all the way back down to 18k. So please be aware for that, guys. And also, if we do lose that, you can see the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement for this whole scenario here, right? For this whole scenario, the swing high, and we got the swing low at 17k for this trend initially. And we're literally sat directly on the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, and that is sat around 20,300. So if we do lose that again, it is going to be meaning more bearish momentum to the downside, more confirmation to be looking out for there. Very, very interesting, cool stuff. Moving on to direction movement index on the midterm time frame. Let's have a look at that. ADX is falling down as well. That does show sideways momentum is upon us yet again, as discussed on the shorter term time frame. Let's move on to the premium scout package, guys. A couple of indicators here, because as I said, sideways momentum is upon us. You can see for the WOD machine, we have had all these white candles in a row. This tends to usually mean we're just about to have a really nice strong sideways trade, sorry. So what I'm looking for here, it is going to be this sideways money indicator, which you can get a free trial from on the premium scout package on the website. If you do want to go jump on that, you're more than welcome. Test it out for a week. If you like it, you can subscribe to it. If you don't like it, you can literally cancel it for free. It's absolutely fine. But yeah, so what I'm looking for here is a wick outside the zone, then a candle body close, and then basically going to be shorting it down to back to the range period, okay? And this is going to be around 20,400. So it's going to be a short from around 20,550 all the way down to around 20,473. It is on the 15-minute chart, guys. They are pretty reliable when you see this many white candles in a row. I mean, for example, you're coming down, you're testing the central point, you're getting your wicks outside the zone, you come back, come back to that range. You come down, you test your wick outside the zone, you get a candle body close, straight back up, long to that zone. So just waiting for that wick, come down, candle body close, short, right back to that central point of the zone. So that's what I'm looking for here on the shorter term time frame here for Bitcoin, for scalping the markets today. Let's jump to the longer, no, that's the midterm. That's the midterm. That's the premium. Yeah, let's jump to the ultra swing package and see what we're looking at there for the day as well, because it's looking fairly bullish, I would say, guys. It's looking fairly bullish, but I would say major resistance up all of the major indicators is 20,728. That's what the area that I'm really looking for there for the resistance to come through. We do have the triple EMA and double EMA literally sat there getting further and further apart, but they have recently they have been getting further and further apart, which is very strong for the uptrend. But right now they are getting to that ever so close bearish crossover. If we get that bearish crossover, guys, I would expect downside, and that's when I'm going to be looking to basically be losing this massive chart pattern that we have been talking about across the board. Moving on to the longer term time frame here for Bitcoin, you can see, guys, the key support levels that I'm looking out for here. It is going to be the top side here, and it is going to be up around 28,800. You can see we've got Fibonacci retracement, the 0.236 for the macro time frame, around 24,200 to be looking out for there. We've got the price action channel coming down pretty strongly now, so I would expect a test on that if we do see a lot more bullish momentum. But in terms of moving averages right now, guys, let's just have a look. We have cleared the 10 simple, the 10 SMA, and the likelihood of us coming up and testing the 21 EMA is fairly likely, and that, in terms of a price for a reference for you guys, is going to be 21,200. Yeah, 21,200 for a test of resistance there, okay? So if we do see a nice pump, that's sort of what I'm looking for resistance. We've got a monthly pivot point as well at 21,600. So maybe we come up, test 21,600, and then basically bang it down, get the daily candle to close below that. That's going to be it for Bitcoin here, guys. I will be back tomorrow to be checking out for that. To be checking out what's basically gone on, and also to do the giveaway winner. But today we're going to be carrying on the video with the trade of the day. This is a trade of the day that I've showcased for you to showcase. I'm going to be showcasing to you today, guys, for you guys to do some research on. And we're currently 13 trades in a row. Unbelievable success rate coming through most recently for cryptocurrency. It's really good stuff. But yeah, what I'm looking for trade of the day today is going to be, guys, it's going to be a bit of Solana, right? It's going to be a bit of Solana, and the reasoning for this is, guys, is because you can see we do have a very strong trend line to the lower side here, and you can see a very juicy level of support, which is going to be acting as resistance if we do lose this. With the moving averages conceding with this as well, you can see that we have got these very, very strong 200 EMA and 200 SMA. If we do lose that, there's going to be a very clean, a very nice short position, 2.21% to the downside, which I'm going to be looking out for. Then these are going to be my take profits as well. So guys, go do some research on this. Go do your own TA. You can copy my TA if you want, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before entering any trades that I do say on this stream. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for today. Let's jump back and see what we did yesterday on the old it was sand, guys. We were looking at a trade of the day from yesterday. It was sand. We were saying it could go either upside or downside of this continuation chart pattern. You can see we actually got a lovely candle body close outside the zone, which activated a short position, and we literally went from there straight take profit here, and then carried it on down, just rode literally like 2 TPs, still in there at this point in time, still waiting for a stop loss at break even, guys. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this does come up if we do get rejected off this current level of resistance, this horizontal at around 83 cents. No, sorry, 86 cents 26, right? If you get rejected off that, then I would be looking for another take profit. If not, it will be a stop loss at break even. Absolutely fine. Still making money there. But yeah, that's going to be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. And again, guys, if you did want an exchange to trade on, jump into the description of the video, sign up with the link, and you will get a nice big bonus. And as well, guys, if you're looking to just buy crypto on spot and not trade leverage, you can do that with BitGet, and it's completely zero fees. It's zero fees. They don't charge you any fees at the moment. It's just unbelievable. So if you want to, I want to go spend $1,000 on XRP, you can go do that and literally get $1,000 worth of XRP and pay no fees on it. Amazing stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.